Okay, kids, now we are going to start with the first hour of language. And in this hour, we are going to learn a new sound. But before we start our class, you are going to listen to this song, Baby Shark. And you are going to move your bodies while you listen to this song, okay? Go! Good. Everybody, please sit down. And now we are going to continue with the sound. Do you know which is this sound? Well, here, even if we have two letters, the first letter that is S, and the second letter that is when we join both letters, their pronunciation is sh. Really, really soft and elegant, as you were the most beautiful princess and prince, okay? So, the pronunciation, excellent. Now, here I have one word that is milkshake. Here, how many sounds do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Remember that sh sound has two letters, but only one sound. M, I, L, K, sh, A, K. And this one that is magic E. Okay? Milkshake. Now, what are we going to do during this beautiful class? First, we are going to trace sh sound, okay? Then we are going to see two videos, and these videos corresponds to the movement, and the other one with the vocabulary that we are learning. Number 3, we are going to practice sh sound, and number 4, learn new vocabulary, and 5th or 5, yeah? Point or the 5th activity or point number 5, we are going to complete the worksheet. Let's start with sh sound. Are you ready, people? Excellent, very good. Now, who can help me to trace the letter? Let's see if Martin is there. Martin, you are in front of these two letters and you are going to trace with your magic finger, okay? Trace the letter and you start here in this point and you trace going down, 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 ooh, like a slide. Very good, excellent. Now, Martin, you can continue with the next one. You start up and you go down, 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 okay? Move down, 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 down. Okay, go, go, up, 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 and turn. Very good, Martin. You're doing very well this activity. Now, let's continue with the videos that correspond to sh sound, and this that corresponds to the vocabulary. You're going to see the videos and then we're going to continue the class. Okay? Good. Go ahead. Bye. Excellent, people. Now that you were very concentrated watching to those videos, we're going to continue with exercise number 3. How do you put your lips and your mouth in order to pronounce sh sound? Remember that here you point your teeth in this position. Yeah, they are like this. One on the other one. Shh. And your lips are a little bit apart, like shh. You can supposed to no, because if you put the lips in that way, you cannot pronounce the sound shh. Remember that you have to be very elegant, okay, people? So it's your turn. Now, boys, very good. Can you pronounce? Shh, excellent. Now, girls, it's your turn. Shh, very good. Now, let's continue. Here, your cheeks have to be flat. Okay? So, no. You cannot pronounce no. So you have to flat your cheek to pronounce sh sound. Okay, very good. Now, your tongue is just touching inside the back part of your teeth here, but you close the teeth, okay? Shh. Very good. Now, let's continue with the next exercise. Let's imagine that we are in the library with Miss Marta P. And when we are with Miss Marta P or reading with Miss Glorita, we have someone is talking, chit-chatting, blah, 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 blah. And you are telling, okay. And the other person who is chit-chatting, start to be quiet. Very good. Now let's see which is the vocabulary that corresponds to this word sound, or to this sound, excuse me. The first word is shell. I love to pick up shells at the beach. At the beach. Okay, the second one, fish. The fish has many colors. Number 3, sheep. Sheep. The sheep has fluffy wool. Fluffy wool. Excellent. This one you already know. Trash. Okay, very good. Take out the trash, please. Oh, this obviously is very, very known for all of you. Flash. Flash is super fast. As Miss Patty, obviously, Miss Patty is very flash. Is like a flash. Is very fast. Sorry. And let's continue with shop. Shop. I like to go to the candy shop. Oh, I love it. Really, I love it because I love shopping. Candies. Oh, delicious. And if my candies are for my kids in my classroom, I prefer those candies. Now, brush. I brush my hair every day with my brush. I brush my hair every day with my brush. Now, shelf. The shelf is too high for me. I am not so high, but the shelf is too high for me. Now let's continue with baby shark, da doop da doop da doop, baby shark, doop doop da doop da doop, baby shark, doop doop da doop da doop, baby shark. Hey, here you have the word shark. The shark has sharpy teeth. And here, mushrooms. Mushroom. I love mushrooms. Mushrooms are very good. Dish. Oh, dish. My favorite dish is pasta. Now that you have already learned those beautiful and wonderful and strange words, you are going to continue working in our worksheet. Did you listen to the sound? Worksheet. Excellent. With the sh sound. You're going to look for this page and listen. Remember that you have to write your name. Then here you are going to trace the sh sound. And here you're going to complete with writing the corresponding name of the drawing. So for example, here we have a shell, we have a fish, we have a sheep. Oh, and you can continue because you are very smart kids. And let's see. Then you're going to continue working with this page. What do we have here? I have here a word search, so full of letters, and here I have a list of words that has sh sound. Shark, fish, mushroom, shell, brush, shop, trash, and flush. And you are going to look for all these words here. Once you finish that, you will choose 3 words, 3 of them. Imagine that Julieta, for example, Select fish. And she's going to write here a sentence, using the word fish. Imagine that Sarita Uribe also looked for another word and she is going to write here another sentence. So remember, Valentina Peña, Irene, María Carolina, Juanita, Emma Pulido, Luciana, Emilia Sanabria, they are going to look for 3 words and they are going to write here 3 sentences. No. This is not only an exercise for girls. No, you're crazy. You are crazy if you were imagining that. This is also an exercise for boys. Now, that means that Emilio Alarcón, Jacobo Caro, Jerónimo Casallas, Matías Centeno, Emilio Contreras, Alejandro Galvez, Daniel Gómez, Alejandro Martínez, Samuel Orbegoso, Emilio Quintero, Jerónimo Ramírez, Alejandro Salomón, Diego Urteaga, and Martín Zuluaga, and also Carlos Daniel. Yes, Carlos Daniel. You are going to choose 3 words and write 3 different sentences. Okay? It's your turn. And once you finish this, look, what do you have to do? You have to upload the picture of your worksheet to Seesaw. Upload to Seesaw. Okay, very good. So, kisses for you all, babies. I love you so much. One day we will go together to a candy shop for shopping candies for you and for me. Okay? See you soon. Bye.